If you are looking to get a brand new hunting bow for yourself, you need to watch this video right till the end. We have selected the very best hunting bows for you. At the number 5 spot, we have the Hoyt Carbon RX8 hunting bow. Hoyt Carbon technology revolutionizes the archery experience with its flagship product, the Carbon RX8, delivering a shot unlike anything else on the market. The bow's warm, quiet, and lightweight design, coupled with its remarkable smoothness, sets it apart from the competition. The Carbon RX8 boasts the strongest strength-to-weight ratio, ensuring durability in the harshest conditions. Experience unparalleled smoothness and customize your performance with features like 1/4 inch draw length adjustments, a versatile 3, 2, 1 mod system, and options for X-hard and hard walls, all contributing to a peak performance across all draw lengths and 85, 80, 75% let off. The bow also incorporates an integrated kickstand to protect the strain from excessive wear in the field. Whether on elk hunts or challenging expeditions, the remarkable strength-to-weight ratio becomes a crucial asset. Crafted from resilient VersaFlex material for ultimate comfort in all conditions, the Vital Point ensures consistent hand placement and accuracy at an optimal angle. Carbon's resistance to freezing, a quality not shared by aluminum, makes it a reliable choice in diverse weather conditions. For 2024, the introduction of Wire W RX strings takes the bow's shooting up a notch, reducing string vibration by 25% and providing a noticeable performance advantage over other aftermarket strings. Coming in at the number 4 spot is the Bowtech Core SS. This super precise hunting bow has some great features. It uses center mass technology that lines up the sight perfectly for super steady shots. Also, FLX guard cable containment reduces torque and increases forgiveness, translating into consistent accuracy. The bow has a smooth draw, and thanks to deadlock technology, your arrows will fly perfectly every time. You can also tweak the cam positions easily with Time Lock. There is no longer the need for a complicated bow press. You can make cam position adjustments with a basic Allen wrench, ensuring quick and secure modifications without the need for specialized tools. The dovetail mounting system, integrated directly into the riser, maximizes security and eliminates any unwanted movement of the rest. Plus, you can make the grip just right for you with Grip Lock. You can further customize it to your liking by purchasing customized components. Also, switching from a low to high wrist position or anywhere in between is as easy as a simple turn of a screw. Orbit dampeners, strategically positioned in line with the string's travel, effectively minimize unwanted vibration and noise during the shot, ensuring a quiet and precise shooting experience. This Bowtech hunting bow weighs about 4.5 pounds, which is neither too heavy nor too light, and is just right for moving around and staying steady. You can adjust the draw length from 26 inches to 31 inches, so it fits your size perfectly. You can choose how hard it is to pull back the bow, between 50, 60, or 70 pounds. This bow shoots arrows at an incredible speed of 337 feet per second, making your shots powerful. It's about 31.5 inches from one end to the other, giving you stability, and the brace height of 6.25 inches makes it forgiving when you take your shot. To conclude, the Bowtech Core SS is super precise, adjustable to your liking, and just plain awesome for any archer who wants a top-notch experience. Next, at the number 3 spot is the Persist hunting bow. The culmination of 9 decades of American-made craftsmanship, tradition, and rigorous field testing has given rise to the refined design of the Persist, a bow now stealthier than ever. It incorporates strategically placed in-riser dampeners, an innovative string stop with built-in dampening, and new silent shelf technology, ensuring that any accidental arrow contact with the riser remains undetectable. Simplifying your bow's profile is made more convenient with the addition of a new Picatinny mount for your sight and the integrate mounting system for your rest. An integrated wrist sling mounting point eliminates the need for unnecessary added parts. Specifically designed for whitetail hunters, a loop integrated into the limb pocket allows a swift and secure connection of a pull-up rope, while convenient quick disconnect shoulder sling attachment points cater to all hunters. The Persist showcases incredible versatility with a draw length range of 26 to 30 inches, a maneuverable 31 inches axle-to-axle length, and a forgiving 6.5 inches brace height. The next generation of the highly efficient EKO cam system, with an impressive up to 90% let-off, propels the bow to speeds of up to 340 feet per second. At the number 2 spot, we have the Elite Ethos. Elevate your hunting experience with the 2024 Elite Ethos, a bow that combines credibility and precision for the ultimate performance in the field. With impressive speeds of up to 340 feet per second, this bow offers forgiving adjustability for a customized setup. Featuring the identical comfortable grip, SET technology, and V3 performance mods found on the efficient SP cam system, the Elite Ethos provides unparalleled versatility. The SP cam and V3 mods allow shooters to precisely tailor holding weight, draw length, and back wall preferences to their liking, ensuring seamless harmony for superior performance. The 1/4 inch draw length adjustment feature allows archers to finely tune the bow to their exact draw length, while Elite's 3rd generation of Versa mods provides boundless customization options. The effortless sliding let-off adjustment within the 70 to 90% range grants archers flexibility in tuning their holding weight. Addressing a prevalent challenge in archery, SET technology eradicates issues of poor arrow flight by enabling micro-adjustments to the limb pivot angle, optimizing arrow flight. Elite Archery's dedication to refining the shooting experience is evident in the design, combining broader limbs with a strategically distributed weight on the dual cage riser for enhanced aimability and balance. The Delta VRT, in tandem with Elite's Vibe X and vibration reduction technology, effectively dampens residual vibration, resulting in a pleasurable and whisper-quiet shot. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Mathews LIFT 29.5 hunting bow. Experience the very best of cutting-edge technology with this Mathews hunting bow that weighs in at less than 4 pounds. The innovative switch weight X cam propels these bows to speeds of up to 348 feet per second, delivering a deadly quiet performance. The 2024 LIFT model introduces redesigned RPE limbs to reduce post-shot vibration, coupled with a new top axle system for lightweight stability. Equipped with the latest match bowstrings, designed to eliminate stretch, serving separation, and peep rotation, every component of the LIFT is crafted for excellence. The consistently smooth stacking draw cycle of the SWX cam produces a firm, secure backwall, ensuring unparalleled consistency and accuracy at speeds of up to 348 feet per second. The SWX cam now offers enhanced versatility with compatibility for switch weight mods, broadening its capabilities. With draw weights ranging from 55 to 80 pounds and accommodating draw lengths between 24.5 inches and 31.5 inches, the LIFT caters to a wide range of archers. The novel top-mounted axle system optimizes the working surface area of the limbs, effectively reducing weight and enhancing stability across the entire platform. Teamed with resistance phase damping technology, the LIFT addresses excess vibration at its source, ensuring a stealthy and exceptionally stable shooting experience. The innovative limb design sets this bow apart, guaranteeing a heightened standard in bow hunting performance. That brings us to the end of our video on the best hunting bows. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. Also, do share your thoughts on hunting bows in the comments section below.